An impression is everything in today's world. If you want to impress others with your English, then today's video is for you. Hi everyone, this is Monica and welcome to my channel Monica's Posh and Poise. Normal English sentences are enough in themselves, but if you have an option to get a better version, why don't you go for that? In today's video, I'm going to tell you a few sentences with fancy words that you can use and impress people around you. But before starting that, a little humble request to you all. If you find any value in my video, then please subscribe to my channel. Your support will motivate me to do better work in future. Now, let's get started. The first sentence is, what is your opinion? Instead of this, you can say this as, what is your perspective? Next, what are your goals in life? Instead of this, you can say, what are your aspirations? Next, people often think like this, but it's not true. Instead of this, you can say, it is a common misconception. Next, I am not interested in singing. Instead of this, you can say, singing is not my cup of tea. Next, I am so sad. Instead of this, you can say, I feel blue. A bonus tip, blue is pronounced as blue, not blue. People often tend to say this as blue, but the end sound is oo, not you. Okay? Next is hurry up. Instead of this, you can say shake a leg. Next, you make me laugh. Instead of this, you can say you crack me up. Next, give it a try. Instead of this, you can say, give it a shot. Next is, I'm very happy. I'm over the moon. Next, it's raining outside. Instead of this, you can say, it's pouring outside. Next, I don't care. See if I care. I don't know. I am clueless, or I have no clue. Next, have a nice day. You can say this as have a cheerful day or have a wonderful day. Next, I'm confused. You can say this as I'm bewildered. The pronunciation is bewildered, not bewildered. Okay? It is bewildered. Alright? And the last one is that's enough for the day. Instead of this, you can say let's call it a day. So that's the end of the video. If you have liked my video, then please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching and lots of love.